加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase to prepare or to get ready for something. 要准备一些东西了哈，准备干嘛呢？我们等一下来说。不过准备怎么说？
准批。
准批 ，OK, that means to prepare or get ready. For instance.准备吃饭喽，这是最开心了，放饭喽！
放饭了，赶快来帮忙端菜吧。
I love it when I talk about food, and even though I just had some food, I'm hungry again. 我只要听到吃饭了，就觉得饿了哈。准备吃饭喽，来帮忙端菜哈。
Okay.
Get ready, come on and have dinner together, and help out a little bit. You know, help put out the dishes too. 准备吃饭喽，来帮忙端菜，怎么说？
准批吃飯了。
准批吃饭了。
來天數掉菜。
來天數掉菜。丢菜就是端菜吗 ？OK， 丢菜 that means to take the dishes out, and then 要吃饭了就吃饭。
吃飯。
吃飯 OK, that means to eat. Happy time. Let's have a meal together. Let's have lunch together. Let's have dinner together. All right. 我们的文化就会，那我们要吃饭，就说准备吃饭喽。
对，然后赶快来帮忙啊。
对对对，你煮的好丰盛哦。Wow, this is such a hearty meal. 就好多盘哦。
澎湃哦。
对，怎么說呢？
煮到很澎湃哦。
真的是澎湃這兩個字哎
哦。真的。
OK，煮到很澎湃哦。
煮到很澎湃哦。
煮到很澎湃哦。
澎湃，好豐盛哦！哇，整桌都是。
It's a hearty feast. It's majestic almost. OK， 这个澎湃的意思是好像在看风景一样那种感觉。那餐桌上也可以如此的哈。都是你愛吃的菜啦。哦，好開心哦，對不對？It's all the dishes that you love. OK， 怎麼說？
都係好食嘅菜啦。
都係好食嘅菜啦。OK。Alright， 都是你愛吃的菜，就是好食嘅菜了。
沒錯。
Alright， it's all the dishes that you love eating。光是想我肚子真的咕嚕咕嚕了啦，快點來這個複習一下單詞好不好？
Okay.
我又要再去吃飯了。Alright，how about to eat？吃飯。吃飯。And it's a hearty meal. There's a lot of items， 很豐盛。
很澎湃哦。
很澎湃哦。Okay，and then finally。The dishes you love eating， 愛吃的菜，
好食嘅菜，
好食嘅菜哦，真的要去吃好食嘅菜了哈。
那你就可以吃3碗飯、5碗飯。
没错，没1碗就好了，真的。现在在控制淀粉了哈。And it's all about the phrase to prepare， 准备。
准批。
All right, I'm gonna go eat now, and that is today's practical Hakka。
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.